All right, happy homeowners. Right now, I'm getting ready to answer the question I most often get asked. Should you replace or refinish your hardwood floors? Brian Adams here from Only Wood Floors, doing this live on Facebook. Sunday morning out here in Hancock Park, walking around. Look at this, just some beautiful homes here. But got another email this morning. Brian, should I replace or refinish my hardwood floors? And I get asked that at least once or twice a week from people mostly in the United States, but sometimes from all over the world. New Zealand, Australia, Ireland, and it's always the same thing. So let's try to answer that. And the short answer is yes, always refinish it. Always refinish it. And you're thinking, well, yeah, Brian, you're going to say that. You make a lot of money refinishing hardwood floors. I do, but I make more money replacing them. There's more profit in me selling you a new hardwood floor and installing it. But that's not what's in the best interest of the client. So let's break it down. Let's talk about it for a second. So the majority of hardwood flooring can be refinished. It's rare that it cannot be refinished. So if you've got a company telling you it has to be replaced, get a second opinion. Because again, we make more money replacing the hardwood floor than we do refinishing it. And maybe that company doesn't refinish hardwood floors, so of course they're going to say it has to be replaced. Then again, even if they do refinish them, it's more profit replacing it. So get a second opinion from your local, hardwood floor expert. Now, it seems to be the same all over the world. If you're going to replace your hardwood floor, let's right off the bat, if you have an engineered hardwood flooring glued down to the slab, you're going to pay more money to have it demoed, just to have it demoed and have the slab prepped and ready for a new installation. So right off the bat, you're going to pay more money to have it demoed than you would to have it refinished. But let's say you got a floor and you can go over the existing floor. So all you got to do is buy new flooring. And you're telling me, well, Brian, I can buy new flooring for the same price. No, you can't. And the new floor you buy is not going to be as great as the one refinished on the job site. It's not going to happen. When you have it refinished on the job site, you get to choose the color, you get to choose the sheen, you get to choose the finish, all of that. But let's just put that aside. So let's say you say, okay, man, I'm going to flip this house. I'm just going to buy some cheap laminate plastic stuff, stuff I wouldn't even put in my RV. But okay, so you buy some really cheap plastic laminate stuff, 99 cent, $1.29, wherever the hell you find that crap. The shit they sell from China that gives you cancer. But so you buy that, you got to get the underlayment. So now you're at $1.99, you're $2 a square foot, and you bought this stuff. Now maybe you're going to put it in yourself. You're still at $2. Maybe you put it in yourself, or if you call around, if you call a real wood floor company, it's going to be anywhere from $4 a square foot and up to install it. So again, I mean, it's just that's just no matter where you're at in the world. But let's just say you go, you say, hey, I'm going to hire my the trade guy, the jack of all trades, the handyman. He's going to do it for, who knows, $2 a square foot. Now you're at $4. Now you got to do your moldings, your base shoe, any moldings and reducers that meet up to carpet and linoleum. When you sit down and you really think about it, and this is why I'm making the video, because I always have to resend this email out to people or through Facebook Messenger, because people get I'm telling you, it's like once or twice a week I get this question. People find me, they get an estimate for refinishing their hardwood floors, no matter where they're at. They go, oh my God, is that much? And I'm like, yeah, you're getting a brand new floor, custom. Why wouldn't it be that much? So they immediately get online. They find me through YouTube, Facebook, somewhere. I got all the videos out there. And so they hit me up, Brian, should I replace it or refinish it? Refinish it, all right? If you want to save money and you want the best bang for your buck, refinish it. Life is expensive. I don't know what to tell you. But trying to think that you're going to buy an inferior product, a cheap laminate plastic something that goes over top of the floor you have now, when it's all said and done, when your jack of all trades handyman gets finished, you're going to end up spending more than you would if you had refinished it. And when you refinish it, you're going to get a product that no one else has. It's custom to you, your house, and it's going to last for years and years and years, and if you take care of it, forever. So yes, so the answer to the question, should you refinish or replace your hardwood floors? Refinish it. Someone tells you it can't be refinished, it has to be replaced, get a second opinion, call your local contractor guy. I'm not big, just do your research. And I guess that's how you found me, you were doing your research. But hope that helps you out. If you got any questions, hit me up, whether it's through email, whether you're in North Carolina, New York, New Zealand, it doesn't matter. Hit me up, I'll answer the questions. You want a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Hardwood Floors, leave me, a message or send us an email. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Enjoy your Sunday.